School keeps making strides academically, being ranked among the top 16 Cape schools on the island in 2017. But can they pull off a grade A performance tonight? Well, let's see. Please give it up for Jonathan Grant High School singing A Beautiful Day.
Up and I looked in the mirror and every part of my body was in place. Many people that I never saw this day. So another day I live, I appreciate. Don't ever wanna act too high and mighty, cause tomorrow I can fall down on my face. So in everything, Lord, I give you praise, and that puts a smile on my face. Lord, I thank you for sunshine, thank you for rain, thank you for joy, thank you for pain. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. Love us apart, let us unite. We got one life, so let's make it right. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. So yeah, though I walk through the valleys of the shadows of death, I won't fear no evil, won't be dismayed. When I see the clock ticking away and things are not in place, everything in life happens for a reason. Disappointment comes with a lesson. It's on me to be wiser, got to work harder. In the end, it will get better. Thank you for sunshine, thank you, Lord.
Jonathan Grant. It's a beautiful day. All right, good. Let me just get some things. All right, so the first part, the Celine, you weren't singing the right things with what the people were playing. So I'm going to pretend you crush that up and throw it away, and I'm going to pretend it never happened. All right, so once you got into the next song, though, that was awesome. Really, really nice. I love the energy. I love the harmonies that you're doing. I like the arrangements that you put in. Mr. Second vocalist, when you come out, though, don't look on the floor when you sing. Look to the audience. Look to everybody else. You did well enough, but you're just always looking down. You can't do that. Communicate with us. Good? Good job.
Thank you. Yeah, big message. Really powerful message in the song. The energy and the delivery, we got it. Right? You have to pay attention to what Michael was. Well, he said he's going to throw it away, but pay attention to it anyway. I enjoyed, even though the second soloist was looking down, I enjoyed his expression because he really stepped up the song into a new place. Okay, I must commend also, though, the band, the backing band, because they were quite supportive of the whole choir. And I think you did a good job today.
It's been said already, but it's worth repeating. The first section there, the Celine Dion section, what you guys were playing was not consistent with what they were singing. So we're going to dash for that part there. But when the song started, when the song really started, it was beautiful. The second soloist is an artist in the making. And I look forward to hearing more from him and the rest of the choir.
If you think Jonathan Grant gave a beautiful performance, then text or call 444-8810.